This car was £12. £12. That is how much this car cost. I won it in a raffle, £4 a ticket, and luckily my number came up, so the cost of the car was £12. So it didn't have an MOT. The previous owner informed me that it would require a wheel bearing, which he supplied, put it in for its MOT, and all it needed was indeed a wheel bearing. A couple of other advisories. So that is a running and driving Audi 80 1.8 Cabriolet for £12. So the total cost of the car to get it legal is £172. I'm absolutely delighted. The Rover 75 has been sold as a result, and I'm going to now enjoy my Audi. So I've cleaned it up a bit. It's the 1.8 20 valve engine. It's one of the last ones made. I just managed to get the roof down today as well. It's a bit complicated, but thankfully the previous owner was on hand to give me some guidance. Very nice dark blue colour. 104,000 miles. Drives without any fault at all. A quick look inside. So the dashboard design is from the original 1987 Audi 80. I've never had a convertible car before, or an Audi, so it's been quite popular with everyone that's seen it, so that's good. It's quite a well spec car for its age. It's got the half leather trim, aftermarket CD player thing, front and rear fog lights, these 3 gauges, so there's battery, oil pressure, oil temperature, no air conditioning, but of course you don't need it. Leather steering wheel. As I said, this is the 1.8 20 valve engine. I think it's from a Volkswagen Golf. It's one of the last of its kind made. Let's get ourselves back out, have a better look at that interior. There we are. The driver's seat's not in great condition. There's a bit of wear to the bolster there, discoloration. That's actually dye that's come off, sort of the top laminate that's come off. But she cleaned up well. New set of mats. We'll give it a bit of polish when the weather is a bit drier, more reliable. Still a decent sized boot as well. Starts up very smooth. Let's check, she's in neutral, yes. There's me there, not quite on the ball with the ignition key at an awkward angle, but still started up perfectly. No noises. No evidence of timing belt history though, but I think on this sort of car it's probably worth doing. So overall, yeah, very pleased. The roof was a bit of a faff to get down. There's a small wee bit of rust around front wheel arch and just at the trailing edge of each rear wheel arch. That little bit of tape there, the rubber trim is peeling off. I've actually seen quite a few of these driving about since I got this, and that rubber trim's actually missing, so it's fortunate still to have it. So overall I'm really pleased with it, and I'm just going to enjoy driving it for the summer.